I think on the enterprise side, what's really, really fun to see is that an enterprise now is really trying to do several things. Any business that's running a retail footprint or a physical footprint is trying to drive down costs through operational efficiencies. They're trying to come up with new ways to create revenue streams. And that's just the basic premise of a lot of business. And so the value that IoT brings in that case is that if IoT can help, through its implementation, drive automation into a physical footprint, that's going to naturally reduce the cost for the operator, which is why you've got these enterprises or enterprise operators gaining in comfort with trying to pursue these. But then the thing that's really, where I start to get even more excited is, so now if I'm an operator of a facility and I've got a connected thermostat or an HVAC unit and also a connected lighting system, can I start to, and I'm managing those through one automation platform, can I start to correlate those two data from those two control systems and then drive entirely new experiences for a customer?